Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start on Google.com, open it, and make sure JavaScript is enabled so the menus work. Then click Settings at the bottom right of the page, or open the hamburger menu and choose Settings. Once the menu appears, pick Advanced Search. This brings you to the single dedicated interface for precise filtering. You use this instead of guessing operators because it exposes all fields, so you can apply exact phrase, exclude words, and set ranges without memorizing syntax. Once the advanced search form is open, fill the fields intentionally. Put required terms in all these words, quotes or exact phrases in this exact phrase, and exclude terms in none of these words. Next, choose language, region, or last update to narrow freshness and locale. If you need PDFs or spreadsheets, set file type. Use site or domain to limit sources. This layered approach reduces noise and surfaces higher precision results, so you spend less time scanning irrelevant links. After entering filters, click Advanced Search to run it and scan the top results. If they're off target, refine immediately by adjusting exact phrases, removing excluded words, or changing the date range and file type. Once satisfied, bookmark the result page or copy the site. Filter for repeated use. If advanced search isn't visible, make sure JavaScript is enabled, clear your cache, and reopen settings. That fixes most display issues and restores the only
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.